Good morning, English learners. Welcome back to Podcast by MrB, your fun and friendly place to learn easy, real English every day. I'm MrB.
And I'm Anna, and today we are talking about something very simple.
Something you do every single day,
Even when you don't want to.
especially when you don't want to.
We are talking about morning routines.
Yes, what do you do in the morning? Before work, before school, before life gets busy?
Because mornings are very personal.
Very. Some people love mornings.
And some people are not morning people.
Anna, which one are you?
I think you already know the answer, Mr. B.
I do. I really do.
I need at least 2 coffees before I am a human being.
2? That is a lot.
The first one wakes up my body. The second one wakes up my brain.
And before the coffee?
Before the coffee, I am just a shape that walks.
Shape that walks. I love that.
What about you, Mr. B? Are you a morning person?
Honestly, yes, a little bit.
Of course you are.
I like the quiet in the morning. It feels peaceful.
Peaceful. See, that word does not exist in my morning.
Not yet, Anna, not yet.
To dear learner, welcome to today's episode. We are so happy you are here.
This episode is for beginner learners around A1 to A2 level.
So the English is simple, clear, and easy to follow.
We will talk about everyday morning activities.
And we will also learn 5 useful words.
Words you can use to talk about your daily routine.
And later in our Speak with Anna segment, you will practice speaking too.
Yes, so don't just listen, use your voice. Even one word counts.
All right, Mr. B, tell me, what does your morning look like, step by step?
Step by step? This could be a short story.
That's okay. Short is fine.
Okay, so my alarm rings.
What time?
7 o'clock. But I don't get up at 7.
No.
No, I press snooze.
How many times?
2 times. Maybe 3.
Mr. B.
The snooze button is my best friend, Anna.
Okay, so you press snooze. Then what?
Then I actually get up, around 7:30. I go to the bathroom, I wash my face. Cold water, very cold.
Oh, cold water in the morning. That wakes you up fast.
It does. That is the plan. Shock the face, wake up the brain.
Does it work?
A little. Then I need coffee, so clearly not completely.
Okay, after the cold water.
I make coffee. While the coffee is making, I check my phone.
Ah, the phone check.
Yes, messages, news, sometimes social media, just for a few minutes.
Just a few minutes.
Okay, maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes is not a few minutes.
In the morning, time moves differently.
That is not how time works.
Anna, in the morning, it is absolutely how time works.
Okay. So, coffee, phone, then.
Then I get dressed. I eat something small, maybe bread, maybe fruit, and then I start my day.
That is a simple routine.
Simple is good. I like simple.
I agree. Simple routines are easier to keep.
Exactly. What about your morning, Anna?
My morning is a little different.
Tell me.
I wake up at 6.
6? That is early.
I like it. The house is quiet. Nobody is talking yet.
Nobody is demanding coffee yet.
Exactly. So, I wake up at 6. First, I drink a glass of water.
Water? Before coffee?
Before anything. Just 1 glass. It helps me wake up slowly.
I should try that. Maybe.
You should. After the water, I do a short exercise. Maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
What kind of exercise?
Simple things. Stretching, sometimes a short walk outside.
Outside in the morning while it is still dark?
Not dark, just early. The morning air is very fresh.
The morning air and I have not spent much time together.
You should introduce yourself sometime.
Maybe one day. So after the exercise?
After the exercise, I take a shower. Then I get dressed. I eat breakfast, a real breakfast.
What is a real breakfast?
Eggs, fruit, maybe some bread with butter, something that gives me energy.
That sounds very healthy.
Might try. And then I do one small thing before I start work.
What is that?
I write 3 things I want to do today. Just 3, not 10, not 20, 3.
That's a good idea.
It helps me feel organized, like I have a plan.
I write things too, but usually I write them and then forget where I put the paper.
Mr. B.
This is a true story.
Maybe try writing on your phone.
Then I would have to stop looking at social media to find the list.
That is the point.
Very clever, Anna. Very clever. You know, dear learner, morning routines say a lot about a person.
They do. Your morning shows how you like to start your day.
Some people like quiet mornings.
Some people like busy mornings.
Some people like slow mornings with coffee and silence.
Some people like fast mornings with exercise and energy.
And some people press snooze 3 times.
Mr. B.
It is also a personality type, a valid one.
Okay, all personalities are welcome here.
Yes, no judgment.
And, dear learner, your morning routine in English is easy to talk about.
Because you know the words from your life, you just need to learn them in English.
And that's what we're here for.
So let's go to our word tour and learn 5 helpful words.
Our first word is routine.
Routine,
Routine.
routine, routine.
A routine is something you do regularly, in the same order, every day.
Your morning routine is the things you do every morning.
You can say, I have a simple morning routine.
Or my routine starts at 7 o'clock. Our next word is habit.
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 Habit. Habit.
A habit is something you do often, almost without thinking.
Maybe you always drink coffee in the morning. That is a habit.
You can say, drinking water in the morning is a good habit.
Or, I have a bad habit of checking my phone first thing.
Anna, is that last one personal?
A little bit, yes. Our next word is schedule.
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 Schedule. Schedule.
A schedule is a plan for your time. It shows what you do and when.
Maybe you have a work schedule or a class schedule.
You can say, I follow a schedule every morning.
Or my schedule helps me not be late.
Do you have a schedule, Mr. B?
I have a schedule, I'm just not always friends with it. Our next word is energy.
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 Energy. Energy.
Energy is the feeling of strength and power to do things.
When you sleep well, you have good energy in the morning.
You can say, I need coffee for morning energy.
Or, exercise gives me energy for the whole day.
You have a lot of morning energy, Anna.
I do. I like it.
I admire that. From a distance. From my bed.
Our last word is alarm.
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 Alarm. Alarm.
An alarm is a sound that wakes you up, usually from your phone or a clock.
You can say, my alarm rings at 6:30.
Or, I turned off my alarm and went back to sleep.
Have you ever done that?
Every learner has done that.
Every single one.
So, today we learned 5 words: routine, habit, schedule, energy, and alarm.
5 words for your morning. 5 words for your daily life.
You can use these words at home, at work, and with your friends.
And now, before we finish, it is time for Speak with Anna.
Yes, this is the part of the episode where you speak.
Not just listen, speak.
When your line appears on the screen, say it out loud.
Don't whisper. Use your real voice.
We will leave a pause after each question. That pause is yours.
Anna and I are both here with you. Ready? Let's go.
Good morning. How are you today?
We are so happy you are here with us today.
Let's start simple. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Please say a reasonable time, not 2 in the afternoon.
I see. That is a good time. Early or late, every routine is different.
And every routine is okay. No judgment here.
Do you use an alarm to wake up?
I use 3, just in case.
Mr. B, that is too many.
It is called preparation, Anna.
Okay. Now, what do you do first in the morning?
Is it coffee? Please say coffee. I need someone on my team.
Whatever it is, that first step starts your whole day.
That first thing is very important.
Do you eat breakfast in the morning?
I eat something small, usually bread or whatever I can find quickly.
Mr. B, that is not a real answer.
It is a real morning. Things are fast.
Breakfast gives us energy for the day. Even something small is good.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Oh, that sounds really nice. Simple food in the morning is always the best.
Now I'm a little hungry.
Mr. B, focus.
Sorry. Okay. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
Or maybe something else?
Coffee people, tea people, water people, all are welcome here.
I understand completely. Everyone has their morning drink. It becomes part of the routine.
What about exercise? Do you move your body in the morning?
Even a short walk or a little stretching counts.
I respect people who exercise in the morning. I'm just not one of them yet.
Yet, Mr. B, yet.
Yes, yet.
What is one thing you always do before you start your day, every single morning?
Something small that helps you feel ready.
That is a wonderful habit. It sounds like it really helps you.
The small things in the morning make a big difference.
Now, what is one thing you want to change about your morning?
For me, it's the snooze button. We have a complicated relationship.
That is very honest, Mr. B.
Growth is painful, Anna.
Okay, whatever you want to change, that's okay. Noticing it is already the first step.
Last question. If you could have a perfect morning, what would it look like?
Take your time. Think about it.
There is no wrong answer here.
Oh, I love that. That sounds so peaceful and beautiful.
That's a morning worth waking up for.
Thank you for speaking with us today. You did really well.
Seriously, using your voice in a new language takes courage. We're proud of you. And that's our episode for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Podcast by MrB.
We hope your morning tomorrow is a little more fun.
And a little more English.
Remember your 5 words: routine, habit, schedule, energy, and alarm.
Use them this week. Say them out loud.
Try this. Tomorrow morning, describe your routine in English, even just one sentence.
I wake up at 7, I drink coffee, I start my day.
That's real English. That's enough.
Small steps every morning add up to big progress.
This is Mr. B.
And this is Anna.
And you've been listening to Podcast by Mr. B.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and have a wonderful morning.
Bye for now.